Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. I am going to start with Jindal Steel and Power Limited. On the weekly chart, the recovery has shaped up from the support level of 300 rupees. I have marked the support level with the line. I'm going to encircle two zones, number one, number two. This is a well-known reversal pattern called double bottom pattern. Look at the way the accumulation process has grown into an uptrend. See the volume activity, it is pretty standard. There are hardly any bearish candles. I can only see two bearish candles. And one more thing, pay attention. From this zone to here, the momentum was not that steep, but after a bit of consolidation around 450 rupees, see here how the price is making a higher highs and higher lows pattern. It speaks volumes about the kind of strong buying that has been going on from 300 rupees. And on the left hand side, we have a high to match. I should say buyers do have a target, and the target is the latest, not latest, the high which the stock made in April 2022. And it is around 575 rupees, and current market price is hovering around 523 rupees. Last but certainly not least stock for tomorrow's session is Alembic Pharma. I'm going to zoom out the daily chart. This is a steep downtrend followed by a failed attempt by buyers. This is a failed attempt. Can you see? We have three white soldiers, which is usually a sign of reversal, but in this case, the sellers outnumber the buyers by a big margin, and that is precisely the reason why the price came down heavily. Also, in this zone, this is a double top pattern. This was a previous top, and from the level of 600 rupees, price did not broke the previous high as well. And as a result, we have five consecutive bearish candles. So right now, again, I'm going to zoom out. The level of 600 is going to be extremely crucial level. If you see a weekly closing below 600 rupees, and if it is on the back of longish range bearish candle and surging volume activity, then the stock can really go downwards till the level of 550 rupees. I cannot see any major roadblock for sellers. So keep this stock in your watch list throughout the month of December.